In the 21st century, Korea's leading heating film brand, Hot Film. Korea Heating, Hot Film. In line with our motto of technology is life, quality is pride, Hot Film is a world-leading, high-quality, and highly efficient heating revolution. Produced from Korea's largest output capacity facility, using the latest advanced heating technology and expertly skilled work team. Korea Heating has passed numerous safety certifications such as ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, as well as UL, CE, and GHOST. The strictest safety electrical certifications have proven our technology. Using the most advanced heating technologies and our strict safety and quality controls, Korea Heating has now been exported to over 20 countries, including the US, Canada, Germany, Russia, and China, introducing Korea's own traditional Ondol heating technology to the world. Korea Heating is committed to developing the most advanced eco-friendly heating materials. Hot Film, by transferring electric energy to heat energy, is the most environmental-friendly heating solution to the ever-increasing world oil prices, climate changes, and global warming that we face today. Now, let's take a closer look at Hot Film and Korea Heating. Hot Film can be applied to floors, ceilings, and wall heatings. A perfect fit for modern building structures. Insulation and combustion materials printed with a PET film carbon paste as a heat element and silver paste as a conductor, using copper foil to make electrodes with Laminix film, and through the laminating process, Hot Film is born. Hot Film's very simple structure provides a longer product lifespan, fewer malfunctions, and lower maintenance costs. Its parallel connection produces the optimal floor heating performance. Also, it is very lightweight, easy to install and economically sound, silent and dust-free, carbon, which acts the same as charcoal, minimizes electromagnetic waves and maximizes infrared rays and negative ions, which have proven health benefits. Hot Film, under our strict production controls, is a fully automated process using our own printer and lamination equipment. Based on detailed customer consultations, each Hot Film product is unique and is tailored to each customer's exact heating requirements, installation location, and heating usage and conditions, allowing us to determine the pattern of the film, materials used, and mixing production procedure. After mixing, carbon paste is put on the first base film. Using world-quality insulation and combustion material, Hot Film is then passed through our own drying printers. Our drying printers can produce high-concentrated carbon particles coated onto the base film, and using our advanced technology, a perfectly dry surface is formed. The printed base film is then put through a spark prevention process. Using silver paste as a conductor, printing process is again repeated. The base film undergoes the second silver plate print and then moved to the laminating process, and is then combined with Laminix film and copper coil. Korea Heating has developed an optimal processing technique which reduces the layer of air, smooths the surface, and also allows strong adhesion on both base film and Laminix film at the same time, maintaining the flatness of the surface. Finally, quality controls are performed. At this stage, a magnifying glass examination of the print quality is performed, and a sample test of electric performance is conducted. Also, Korea Heating has a unique production process which can be custom-made to satisfy the customer's exact needs. Changes can be made to the company logo, thickness of the film, shape of carbon heating element, power consumption, DC usage, and different power source supplies. Korea Heating's Hot Film with superior technology, total safety, and guaranteed satisfaction. Now, let's look at the Hot Film and its applications. To construct and install Hot Film, the following tools are required: heating film, insulation pad, connecting wires, thermostat, wire connector, inlet plug, film protector, supporting boards, plugs, insulation tape, electrical tape, OPP tape materials and resistant tester, leakage tester, infrared thermometer, calculator, puncher, presser, striper, driver, ruler, scissors. First, measure the voltage and clear the floor to prevent scratches or damage to the film. If the floor is wet, such materials as plastic can be used to prevent the humidity. Fit the insulation pad according to the floor size and, if necessary, the corners. Place tape between the insulation pad. Leave 10 to 20 centimeters of space between the wall and the insulation pad. Place the hot film to cover the insulation using OPP tape and electrical tape, and then fixate the insulation pad. When mending hot film, cut into the film where there are no carbon heating materials, and to prevent overheating, do not place the film on top of each other. With a puncher, put a hole into the copper coil of hot film. Push the wire connection terminals towards the silver plate and copper coil. Then, connect it to the eyelet terminal. With pressure, the equipment fixates onto hot film. With pressure, pliers connect the terminal with the wire. When connecting a wire to a hot film, use parallel connections or diagonal connections for maximum heating effect. For heating film, the pressure terminal is seldom used for connection terminal, because the pressure terminal may cause sparks due to the loose space between the film and the pressure terminal. We strongly advise against using the pressure terminal. Calculate the resistance of a parallel connected film in order to calculate power consumption. Apply special insulation tape where the wire and film is connected. For insulation and film mending, insulation should be applied onto the copper foil. For the thermostat, on the in part, put the power cord, and the out part, put the film that is connected to the wire and connect the sensor part with the sensor. Place the thermostat on a wall near the power cord extension. Turn on power and test. Check the infrared thermometer and leakage gauge, and if the finishing material is reinforced floor, use felt as film protection, and if the finishing is manorium, use a board on top of the film for protection. Finally, cover reinforced floor or manorium to complete installation. Hot film can be used in hotels, motels, dormitories, cottages, kindergartens, elderly homes, gymnasiums, food courts, hospitals, churches, temples, veranda expansions, and any other place where heating is required. With the ability to centrally heat control up to 128 rooms, you could easily control individual rooms centrally and further reduce unnecessary heating costs. Technology is life. Quality is pride. Incomparable heating quality. Premium heating film. Hot film guarantees the happiness of residents.